Okay, you're on.
Yeah, it's now embraced.
Okay.
And I can take it off, but I was very shocked that when I went to go wash my hands,
Yeah.
it was like so painful.
Oh,
But it's
gosh.
because it hasn't moved.
Yeah.
So it's just stiff. So
Well, good.
This, I put this back on just to help me for a couple days get used to the.
Mm-hmm.
It's not so restrictive as the cast. So there you go.
Yeah.
Kiddios.
But that's good though.
Yeah, it was neat.
Yeah.
All right. India, today is our last day. We made our Bengal tiger on Monday, the national animal of India. And then, oh gosh, we worked on the letter I for India. We did some henna. We made the Taj Mahal.
The little boy ran away. He's not here.
I'm sure he's around here somewhere.
It's
Here
cute.
he is.
Oh.
There he is. He was
So
taking
cute.
a tour. And
So
then,
cute.
of course, we did our lotus flower tic-tac-toe that is completely reusable. All of these are in our Around the World series. Do you know what's next?
Peru? No.
Tanzania.
Oh, really?
Tanzania.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know where I got Peru from.
And Tanzania looks really, really cool.
Really?
I'm just saying. Yes.
Huh, okay.
So Maddie, you will love it. You will love it. You will love it. All right. And Jake and Blake, I miss you guys. I know it's been a while since I've given you shout outs, but most of the time I'm sitting here talking to myself and everybody's watching it on YouTube. So carry on. I got to film it. So, all right. So we are going to make our elephants.
Oh my gosh, he's so cute.
Yes, hopefully I can remember how to put this together. Just kidding. All right, lay everything out in front of you. These are going to go on the feet. Okay, so these we can just lay down here. Ooh,
Oh, sorry. I was just touching it.
it's just ribbon.
Yeah, that's neat.
Isn't that cute? I was like, we need something
I wonder how many
fancy.
people threw that out.
No, hopefully not. The blanket we are going to put somewhere on our elephant like so. And then we have his big ear that flops down. So we're gonna wanna put our blanket on first and then our ear. I'm just kind of showing you guys what it's gonna look like. Of course, our
Oh,
little
like
cap.
a little, okay, that's cute.
You know, because they like to decorate. And then you can use your jewels. And you don't have to put your jewels here. You can put them wherever you want. I mean, you might want to put one on his nose. I don't know. But once you kind of see the pattern, take it apart just slightly. And that way we can glue it on. All right? So, very first. Have you ever ridden an elephant?
I was just thinking that. I don't think so.
I would love to go to India and ride an elephant.
Yeah, it's really
Take
neat.
a tour. Just seems so peaceful.
And elephants are very smart.
They are
apparently.
amazingly smart. Yes, they are very smart animals. And next week when we go to Tanzania, they have the African elephant,
Okay.
which is huge.
Oh, really?
Huge.
Okay.
So much bigger. So much bigger. All right. So once you glue on the blanket, let's glue on our ear. So line it up. Okay. It kind of fits like in this curve right here. You see that?
Cute.
Okay. So line it up, flip it back over, put some glue on it, and then flip it back over, line it up. And I'm just gonna bend mine just slightly.
You can see it then.
Yeah, yeah. All right, and then we're gonna put our head wrap on, flip it over, glue it up.
Pretty.
All right. And then, boom. All right. Ah.
He's so cute. It
that
really,
lined up right?
it does, and it really brought him to life when you put that eye on. It's
And
super
I was
cute.
like, hey guys,
Uh-huh.
I'm here. All right, so your jewels, like I said, wherever you want to put the jewels, A lot of the times I see them on their ears. A lot of times they will put one like right on the head. Whoops. And so I'll just put mine down here. It's like he got his ear pierced.
So cute.
Yeah, they're very cool to look at. Stay. Stay. I don't think that's gonna stay. All right, and then as far as these, I'm just putting a little bit of glue right at the bottom of the feet. And it's like they painted the nails.
Oh, that's neat. They do have big toenails, though.
Mm-hmm.
They're a relative of manatees. I want to say this is like,
Really?
yeah, I believe so. I could be lying, but I don't think so. I'm pretty sure they're very close like that.
We'll have to Google that.
Blake and Adrian are here.
Hi, Blake. Hi, Adrian. Long time, no talk. I hope you guys are doing well. All right. So that is our elephant so
cute.
far. And you know, Miss Chrissy always has to make it stand. So you kind of have a piece of paper. let me see if I can remember how I did this. I believe I just put it something like that. Whoops. All right. So how did I have this, Miss Stacy?
I have no idea.
Look, how
Before
did I have this?
Before I knew you were doing that, I was like, oh, it should stand up. Even maybe a tongue
Yeah.
depressor on the back and they could walk around with it.
I think I had it something like this. I
Cute.
don't know why I have it folded many times,
There you go.
but
But then it doesn't have to be on if you don't want it to either. It can just stand.
so
Like a little
your
kickstand.
crazy paper that looks like this, I had it kind of folded for you. This is going to be the bottom. You know, my brain works in crazy ways. You should see the space one. I'm just saying. Space has been really cool too.
Oh, I saw Chloe working on some of it.
Behind the scenes,
Yeah.
there's a lot going on. But yeah, I'm really happy with the way things are going. And
Oh, that's
working out.
cute.
There you go. See, I'm not crazy.
Yeah.
I
Well,
knew it was.
That's so cute.
I was playing with the paper. I was like, how can I get him to stand up without, folding the paper again? But there you go. There's your elephant from India. Blake, Adrian, did you guys have a good time this week with India? I know you guys have done every single country, so what is your favorite so far? Let me know. Let me know. All right, so next week we are taking a break from around the world, and we are gonna work on birds. So we're gonna work on birds.
Oh, cool. Okay.
And then when we come back, we'll tackle Tanzania. So stay tuned for that. There's still a couple more days if you want to order your birds box and go over it with us next week. Let us know. Shoot us a message. You can buy it on Cratejoy, put in a free code, pick it up in stores. And I believe Miss Stacy's going to be here Saturday night anyway. Right?
Yeah, parents' night out.
If you need to pick up your boxes on Saturday night, Miss Stacy will be here. All right, you guys, have a fantastic day. I will see you on Monday. Bye.